What's up, Colin Tubers? It's Colin here again, and welcome back to another video. And today is another toy review day with Colin. And the toy we're going to be reviewing is Greedy Granny. Now, this is an old game from the early 2000s, like 2010 or something. Comment below if you know what year it was made. It says only at Toys R Us. You probably have to find it at another store. I don't know if they sell it anymore. But anyways, it's for ages 4 and up, and 2 to 4 players. And then the warning says, choking hazard, small parts not for children under 3 years. This game was made by Colin. I don't know how to pronounce it, but if you know what the name or the branch, let me know. But sorry that the box is a little busted, but I have the lid already open. But let's open up and see what we got inside. Now, obviously there are instructions, but if those who don't know how to play, but I'll review it for you guys below. I'll teach you guys how to play this game. Okay, so inside here, I'm just gonna set you down for 1 sec here. Okay, thank you for waiting. So this is what it come with. It came with the granny inside, and there's more pieces too. If I can get those. Whoa, we're making a mess here. If only if I can figure out that's all of it. Let me just check. Seems like that's all of it. Gotta pick up the pieces here and show you what's inside. Okay, thanks for waiting. Sorry, but I just want to make sure that we have enough time so I can review the game. So what it comes with the granny, a spinner, grandma's teeth, which you actually put in. I think it goes like this. And then, there she goes. And then it comes with 3 of each tree. It comes with 3 blue biscuits, 3 orange pretzels, 3 yellow crackers, and I think these are 3 red jelly cookies. The way how this works is that you take grandma and you lie her back like this, so she's asleep. And then what you take the treats and you put them in here. I don't know if this is gonna fit, but we'll see what we can do here. Okay, now this is gonna get messy, but I'll just try my best to get it all cleaned up. There, close enough. And I'll show you what the slots on the spinner mean. So the goal of this works is that there's a little tray here. And you want to get the green ones. See how the arrows are pointing back in the container and out of there to take? You want to get the green ones because those are worth a treat. But that's how many. And you see this button here? That's how many times you have to click the button. The purple ones you don't want, because that's where you have to take back a treat and click that many number of times. The little circle, that's skipping your turn. Then this is to steal a treat from someone. Now, if you wake up grandma, you have to put all your treats back and start over. So, let's get started, shall we? Okay, let's see what's going to land on. I got 1 treat and a 3, so I'm going to take a jelly cookie and click it 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Now, this does scare little people sometimes, but that's just because it's for fun. I do like kind of poppy games, sorry. Alright, next spin. Oh, I have to put my treat back and click 1 time. Okay, another spin. This might go on for a little bit, but here's the next. Ooh, okay, I'm going to get my treat back and click 1 time. Oh, no, I just got her teeth just fall out, and that means I have to put my treats back now. Okay, apparently I have to put her teeth back. So he's so sometimes uncooperative with me. And yeah, this is pretty much how you play Greedy Granny. It's a really fun game, but it's also kind of scary too. Yeah, go back to sleep. There we go. So yeah, the goal is to get 1 of each treat and then you win. And sometimes I gotta take some time in order for me to pick up the pieces here that keeps spilling everywhere on the balcony of the room here. Okay, there we go. Then I'll just give it a couple more turns here. Okay, don't know what that was there. It looks like it's closer to I'm going to take a pretzel. Go 1, 2. Then I'm going to spin it again. And then I get... I don't know what that was. Oh, it's closer to 1. But it's a green one, so I'm going to click it just 1 time and steal a jelly cookie. Alright, I need 2 more treats here. Seriously, if I wake her up, I'll just end this here. Okay, I just got... Ooh, I gotta click it 3 times. I have to put a treat back. Ooh, okay. We're fine, we're fine. Now, guys, here's the thing. If I get steal here, I can automatically steal a treat without clicking. I gotta put another treat back and do one more click. Alright, I'm still safe. See what else I can do before I wake her up. Okay, 3 times and a treat. And apparently I woke her up. And yeah, that's how you play Greedy Granny, folks. I hope you enjoyed this quick vlog. If you haven't already, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. And make sure you smash the subscribe button because I am on the road to 500 subscribers. So make sure you subscribe. Also, don't forget the notifications bell so you don't miss another awesome video that I post like this one. And don't forget to share this video and comment below if you want to see more awesome toy review videos like this one. And also a quick shout out to Dominic Boy, Josh Anime, Yin Yang Fan, and Daisy Cruiser for inspiring this video / supporting this content. Make sure you check out their channels, put links in the description, and subscribe. And see you later, Colin Tubers.